In this video, I'll show you how to jump higher in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Jumping higher in Roblox can help you reach difficult platforms or evade obstacles, enhancing gameplay and strategy. It also allows you to access hidden areas and explore more of the game world. But this is a common issue players face. As you can see on the screen, my avatar is attempting to jump higher on the wall, but is struggling to climb it. This happens because a single jump doesn't give you enough height to scale obstacles like walls. However, there's a simple trick to solve this problem. The key here is to continuously press the jump key. Instead of just pressing it once and waiting for your avatar to jump, you should rapidly press the jump button at the right time. Here's how it works. When you press the jump key, your avatar will perform a single jump, but it won't go very high. However, if you quickly press the jump button again before the first jump finishes, your avatar will perform another jump. By repeating this process, your avatar will continue jumping in quick succession, gradually gaining height with each jump. This technique allows you to climb walls and other obstacles. The timing is crucial, as you need to press the jump key just before your avatar lands from the first jump. By doing this correctly, you'll be able to scale walls and reach higher platforms easily. Remember, it's all about maintaining a consistent rhythm and pressing the jump key repeatedly. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to climb walls and overcome obstacles in Roblox with ease. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.